Hello everyone, good morning. And yes, currently it's 10:28 and we are on our way to our destination today.
Riverview, Cabins, Canoes,
Okay, so we will be going to Riverview, Cabins, and Canoes, yeah. And we still have 1 hour on our way. So actually it's our first time, but with Ma'am Christine, Mama Dudes, and Kuya Brian, it's their third and fourth. So everyone, stay tuned. So our driver for today is Mama Du. Yeah. She's been driving for almost 4 hours already. Ma'am Christine and Sir Jason. Okay. Yung reaction mo, hindi ko to ikaka talaga. Pero ito yung highlight. Driver namin. Hello, Mama Dudes. Oh, yan. G-Force team yan. Alright, so everyone, we had just a stop over here. And Kuya Brian and Mama Dudes just bought a drink that we will be bringing to our destination today. At ang lamig. Okay, after almost 5 hours, everyone, we are here.
We arrived.
Yes, Riverview, Cabins, and Canoes. So medyo matagal talaga. Yeah, but thank God still we are here safe and sound because magaling yung driver namin. Hello?
Hi! Oops. Check muna.
Okay, check muna.
Check muna ng face. Ay, antok.
So andito na tayo. So papasok muna kami sa office and let's see kung anong nasa. They're still cleaning their room and we're going to check in at exactly 2. And we will have our lunch here at Mount Ida Cafe. What will I eat?
Yeah, sorry.
We got iced tea now.
How about iced tea? They have
We got
iced tea.
Sweeter and sweet. Sweet. What about you? 2 sweet. 2 sweet? Water. Water just, it's just water.
Water for me as well with
Iced tea and
lemonade.
water.
Lemonade.
Water with lemon.
Water with lemonade.
I'll have iced tea, but it's sweeter. Hey, Ma'am Tin, how does it feel that right now you're together with your hubby here in the USA?
How do I feel? I'm glad it's
Yeah.
here in Arkansas.
Arkansas. So she's our beautiful driver today.
And I'm tired.
She's tired. Oh, come on! Welcome to my life. Actually, it's my first time here, and I'm very happy because this is the second state that I'm able to visit.
Third.
This is the third. It's nice.
How do you
Hopefully,
find Arkansas? How do you find it?
well, by just going here, I can say that the place is beautiful. The scenery is different, and I believe that what we will be doing tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, it will be wonderful.
This
She's
is your
inspired.
fourth time, and then, but right now it's different because you have your hubby by your side.
Right.
So how
Feels
do you-
different.
It feels different.
And I'm excited for the canoeing tomorrow. It's a different place, so I'm excited. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
A man of few words.
How long have you been here in the US?
No, fourth year. Sorry.
Fourth.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's been a roller coaster ride of journey here in the US, but
But you
I'm
have
blessed.
plans to stay here for good?
yes. Yes.
Hopefully that you can get the GC.
Yeah, GC.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're here. Yay!
We're in the middle of the woods!
Yes! At maghahanap kami dito ng black bear. Kasi sila lahat may kasama.
Andun yung river, oh, so we can just like
Oo nga, pwede
take a
nating...
little hike
Oo.
down there, yeah.
Noon sa mga movies, ngayon it's really actual na that you're able to see these kinds of trees. Okay, so here it is, everyone. Mayor.
Tapos mamaya gabi no stargazing tapos na ganito. Hi guys.
We're out here in the woods!
Date mo di ha.
This one is the deer sausage plus grilled pork chop.
Mhm.
Dahil ang ano ba